Welcome back. This time we will discuss the laundry dashboard with PHP. Ever feel like your laundry business is spinning out of control during peak hours? Losing track of incoming kilos, mixing up customer orders, or struggling to figure out which service is actually making you money? If you're still relying on paper notebooks, you're missing out on the efficiency your business deserves. Meet LaundryQ. This isn't just another POS app, it's a full-scale command center for your business. We designed it with a sleek, midnight professional aesthetic, because tracking your business data shouldn't be boring, and it shouldn't strain your eyes during long shifts. Look at this dashboard. It gives you the big picture instantly. You get real-time stats on total volume in kilograms, current queue status, and exactly what's going through your machines right now. No more guessing, no more manual counting. On the right, we've got the popular services analytics. This helps you understand exactly where your revenue is coming from. Need to add a new order? It's just one click. It's clean, it's fast, and it's built to minimize human error. What I love about LaundryQ is the flow. It's built for owners who want to scale. From tracking orders to monthly reporting and user management, everything is connected. It's about working smarter, not harder. Laundry business is all about trust, and trust is built on accuracy. If you're ready to take your laundry business to the next level and stop the administrative headache, LaundryQ is the answer.